The 2025 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a bold combination of power, luxury, and innovation. Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where today we're diving deep into one of the most advanced and luxurious motorhomes ever built. Let's take you on a full tour of the 1250 and explore what makes it a true icon on wheels. From the outside, the Kenworth W1250 commands attention. It's built on a rugged long-haul chassis, but sculpted with premium design in mind. The massive chrome grille, aerodynamic panels, and modern LED lighting make it feel more like a luxury yacht on wheels. Full-body slide-outs expand your living space with just the push of a button. And the premium paintwork gives it that ultra-sleek look every RV lover dreams of. Step inside, and it feels like a 5-star hotel suite. The interior of the W1250 is built for those who don't want to leave comfort behind. From genuine hardwood floors to Italian leather seating and ambient lighting, every corner is finely crafted. The spacious living area features power reclining sofas, a 75-inch smart TV, and a fireplace that actually adds warmth and character on cold nights. The kitchen is no less impressive. Full-sized refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, dishwasher, and even a built-in wine cooler. Countertops are finished in solid quartz, and cabinets are soft close with hidden storage compartments. Whether you're cooking dinner or just enjoying a cup of coffee, it feels like home. The master bedroom is another masterpiece. You get a king-size memory foam bed, overhead storage, dual nightstands with USB charging, and a smart climate control system. The bathroom is equally refined, with a large glass-enclosed shower, premium fixtures, and a full vanity mirror. Add in heated floors, and you'll forget you're even in a motorhome. But the W1250 isn't just about luxury, it's about performance. Under the hood is a 600 horsepower turbo diesel engine with massive torque for towing and steep climbs. The automatic transmission is silky smooth, and the adaptive air suspension makes long drives feel effortless. With 300 gallons of combined diesel capacity and solar panels, powering the essentials, you're ready for the long haul, off-grid or on-road. Technology is everywhere. You get a fully digital cockpit, heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and a touch-screen command center that controls everything from lighting to water tanks. You can even operate it remotely through your phone. And let's not forget, safety is top-notch. With lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and reinforced structure, the W1250 ensures that every journey is as safe as it is smooth. What truly makes the 2025 Kenworth W1250 special is how it blends the rugged reliability of a Kenworth with the elegance of a modern luxury suite. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or looking for a mobile lifestyle, this motorhome is built for those who expect more. Comfort, class, and complete freedom. Thanks for watching Honest Auto Wheels. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews of the world's most incredible rides. Until next time, stay curious and stay rolling.